Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today my 7 best tips for the new Instagram TV platform. Number 1, do not upload micro content that isn't relevant to your channel. Now what that means is you don't want to post things that could be shared on, your Instagram story or your Snapchat story. Smaller stories that are about 10 seconds or less, that's not something that you want to be sharing on this platform. This is made as a channel, just like YouTube channels, so you can share your DIYs, your tutorials, you can share open house tours if you're in real estate, and so on. Number 2, if your video can fit on your Instagram story, rethink sharing it on your channel. You want to post the most relevant content, like I just said before. So posting a 10-second video of you taking a super cute selfie and just adding, some music to the background, or you walking around at the beach and looking at the scenery, that's not going to be the best content to be sharing on your Instagram TV channel. Number 3, you want to make your uploads count. You don't want to share silly things to your page because people are really coming to you to check out your channel and see what, inspires you, what you do for a living. And for all the people that have YouTube channels, this is going to be great for you because you can post your content you're already posting on there just in a vertical manner. So again, make your uploads count and don't waste time by posting silly 5 to 10 second videos. Number 4, try posting some DIYs or tutorials to show off your skills. Number 5, post shareable content. What that means is you want to create content that's shareable. So if someone really likes these cat videos that you keep making, but they're longer cat videos, not the 10-second or shorter ones, that means it's shareable and they're going to be able to send it to their friends. So create things that people want to share, people want to save and come back and look at it later. So DIYs, and you're making one of your favorite drinks and people want to go and share that with their friends because maybe they want to try it. Create shareable content. Number 6, all videos are vertical, so take advantage of this. What this means is instead of posting horizontal content like what you do on YouTube or what you watch on TV, you want to post vertical videos like on Snapchat or on Instagram stories. This is a way to get a face-to-face in front of people, and you're not just posting an older video because, as we all know, horizontal video, like YouTube style, is out. It's all about Instagram TV. Number 7, last but not least, you want to create cover photos for each video that you're posting so it looks nice and uniform on your channel. You can do this with Canva. You can create a little graphic for the front of the video that you're uploading. Whenever you're creating the video and uploading on Instagram TV, there's an option to edit your cover photo, and you can upload a photo that you've created.